Students should be allowed to use smartphone in class because I have some reasons. First, when students are about to use their smartphone in class, they will have access to technology. This can be especially beneficial in classrooms that have enough tablet computer for a student. Students can use them to conduct research, answering classroom polling questions, or even type their responses to questions or essays. Second, when students are about to have a smartphone with them in the event there is an emergency at school. This will allow them to contact their parents without phone. This won't be easy. Moreover, to using phone to communicate with their parents and friends, students can also use their smartphone to communicate with their teachers. This can allow students to share feedback and question with teacher easily and his answer when the teacher has time. If the teacher doesn't have time to read a student question until after the school day, student could see the reply immediately rather than waiting the next day. Third, smartphone includes calendar apps, clock, alarms, and reminder that students can use them stay more organized. This tool can help them keep track of assignments, measure their knowledge in class, plan out their study time. In conclusion, smartphone have proved more beneficial in class. Students can use them. The disadvantages cannot be used to dismiss the many advantages of using phone in class. In fact, education and stakeholders should not allow phone use in class, but instead articulate on the usage to boost student grade and